If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After opening the Customize Report pane in QuickBooks Online, the General Report settings appear. These settings change depending on the type of report you are customizing. However, many of these settings are shared by many reports. This lesson reviews the common general report settings in QuickBooks Online. To change the date range of data shown in the report, select a choice from the Report Period drop-down to select from common date ranges. Alternatively, to select a specific start date and an ending date range for reports that use a date range, select choices from the two calendar drop-down fields separated by the word "to." Alternatively, to select a single date as of which to show the data for reports that show data as of a date, select a date from the single calendar drop-down following the words "as of." To change the accounting method used within reports that show data based on an accounting method, select either the Cash or Accrual option button for the accounting method setting. This only changes the report data and has no bearing on your data recorded in QuickBooks Online or your accounting method used for tax purposes. To choose how numbers appear in the report, check or uncheck the desired checkboxes for the number format setting to enable or disable each one. Common checkbox choices include Divide by 1000, Without Cents, and Accept Zero Amount. To choose how to show negative number values in the report, select a choice from the Negative Numbers drop-down. To show negative numbers in red, check the Show in Red checkbox. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.